I'm sure we all want to live a vibrant and healthy life. We do so many things to achieve that, from eating right to exercising, drinking plenty of water, looking after our skin and more. The reality is, with our demanding, hectic and stressful lifestyle, sometimes our well-being still gets affected. What if I were to tell you you can have more energy, perform better and boost your immune system just by adding a few smart supplements into your diet? I'm here at Sunway Pharmacy located in Sunway City, Kuala Lumpur to show you the basic supplements we can start with for better health. Let's start with a supplement we're all familiar with: fish oil. Inflammation in our body is often the root of all diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil helps reduce inflammation and promotes healthy cell growth. This means less joint pain, quicker healing, and maintained flexibility. Omega-3s is often linked to cholesterol as well, so consuming omega-3s can help lower levels of LDL and increase levels of HDL, the good cholesterol that keeps our arteries clean. Our gut is also known as our second brain. The health of our gut directly affects our immune system, and this can determine your mood, appetite, sleep quality, and even sex drive. Having poor gut health can be a result of having a bad diet, stress, depression, overconsumption of alcohol, and more. That's where probiotics can help. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut, support the body's ability to absorb nutrients, and protect your immune system. Next is my current favorite, collagen. When you think about collagen, the first thing that comes to your mind is that, oh, this is only for those who want to look young and beautiful. Well, who doesn't? But the truth is, that's not all collagen is for. The reason that collagen supplements are popular or maybe even essential is because our body becomes less efficient in collagen production, especially after the age of 30. We might experience saggy skin, wrinkles, joint aches because collagen production begins to decrease as early as our mid-20s. Hence, daily consumption of collagen can improve our skin health, maintain our youthfulness, relieve joint pains, prevent bone loss, build muscle mass, and even reduce cellulite. Multigrain drinks can be a great supplement to have as part of your breakfast to give your body a great boost in fiber and other micronutrients. It can also be consumed as a pre- or post-workout drink. When choosing a product, it is very important for you to flip and read the ingredients list. You want to choose a product which contains a variety of whole grains and avoid those with refined grains or with sugar listed as the first 3 ingredients. These are the top smart supplements to consume daily so that you can start each day knowing you have given your body the essential support it needs. If at all you're lost or confused, be sure to approach your pharmacist because I'm sure they'll be more than happy to help you to choose the right supplements according to your current health and lifestyle. For more information on Sunway Pharmacy, do visit their website and Facebook page.